Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to start enzymes. So enzymes are called the catalyst of the biocatalyst. We call them because they participate in the biological reactions. Enzymes are proteins. That means they have a amino acid structure. So we are calling them as a proteins. All the proteins are not enzymes, but enzymes are called as proteins, and these have the catalytic uh, capability to catalyze the reactions. Okay, first time the term enzyme was coined by the Kuhne, which are previously called as ferments. Okay, enzymes were actually later discovered during the fermentation of the sugars by the Buchner and also extracted them. Okay, the whole enzyme which is not active to perform in the reaction, but they have a 3D structure. They are the proteins only. They have a 3D structure which have the grooves. At those grooves, they have a specific sites called as active sites. There only the reactant or the substrate will bind and perform the reaction by changing the shape. So how they will change from one product to the other, from one molecule to the other, substrate will undergo changes to form the protein. And this is a important process for any biological reaction. Without enzymes, the reaction will take longer time. Okay, for example, digestive enzymes. Okay, next let us see the properties of the enzymes. First one is the protein nature. Already we discussed they are the proteins, globular proteins, except only one will have a RNA structure. That is the nucleotide, that is the ribosome. Remaining all have the proteinaceous, that is amino acid structure. And these are globular ones, which are spherical in shape, globular ones they have. And these are protein structure means we know that they have the amino acids. So this is the important character, protein nature of the enzymes, one of the property. Let us move to the next one, molecular weight. So actually proteins, they are the macromolecules, larger molecules with a molecular weight it can range from 6000 to the 46 lakh, that is a pyruvic dehydrogenase one. So larger molecules are present. Okay, so this is a molecular weight actually, which is also important. All the proteins will have the different molecular weights. Next, efficiency. Okay, the number of substrate molecules changes per minute by a molecule. Actually, substrate have to change into the product in presence of the enzyme. Okay, so here that efficiency of enzyme to bind with the substrate will be calculated based upon one enzyme per minute only. How many number of substrate molecules are changing, so that we call it as a turnover number. If the turnover number is higher, the enzyme is more efficient to bind with the substrate, and it is very useful one. And this will depend upon the active sites. Actually enzymes have the active sites, right? So based upon that it will depends. Okay, otherwise the collisions will take place between the reactants and the other things. Okay, next, chemical reactions. Enzymes do not start a chemical reaction but increase the rate of chemical reaction. Okay, enzymes do not start a chemical reaction, but they can increase. Already we discussed increase the rate of chemical reaction. That is the speed of the reaction they will increase, but they does not change their equilibrium, or they can't start the chemical equilibrium. Okay, but they can bring the reaction to the equilibrium state. Okay, so all of you understood enzymes, they does not start the chemical reaction, but they increase the rate of reaction. Fine. And they will bring the reaction to the equilibrium, but they does not change that equilibrium of the reaction. Fine, ma? So this is another important property. Catalytic capacity, actually this is the catalytic capacity of the enzyme. How they will bind with the substrate and how they are changing to the other thing. Fine, ma? And next, coming to the another property of the enzyme, that is the specificity. So enzymes are very specific. That means one enzyme will bind with a one specific substrate only. For example, maltose, it is a sugar, right? So it can bind with the maltase enzyme. Okay, maltase enzyme it will bind with, but not with the others. Okay, so that means they have the higher affinity of the enzyme for the substrate will be there. So then the higher is their catalytic activity, that is the rate of reaction they can increase ultimately based upon the substrate, the particular specific substrate only they can bind with. Okay, so thank you. Please subscribe my channel if you like the